Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to save Snapchat pictures to gallery. So to do that, we have to head over to our Snapchat. And once you're there, make sure you're logged in into your desired account. And then head over to your Bitmoji on the top left. Now go to the settings icon on the top right. And here, scroll down and you will find memories in privacy control section just in the bottom of generative AI settings, and go to memories. And here, as you can see, there is a save destinations. So go to save button, and here once you click a snap, when you tap the save button, it will save on here. It just avails you to choose where you want to save it, in memories and camera roll, or your camera roll only. In other words, your camera roll means the gallery of your Android phone. So as we want to save our Snapchat pictures to gallery, what we'll do is save to memories and camera roll, and I'm checking market and going back to back, and here I'm in the snap section. So I'm gonna just make a snap or click any snap or anything. Let's say this one. And here once I click on save, it is saved to my gallery. So let me show you it in my gallery. So as you can see in my gallery, it is currently now saved. I can edit it or whatever I want to do and share it from here. So yeah, this is how you can save a Snapchat picture to gallery. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.